Hi everyone, I'm Jack and this is Upcycle TV. Today I'm going to be building a rustic ladder. So it's a small one, but it's not really one you really walk on, it's just like a decorative one. So yeah, watch till the end, see how I do it, and yeah, enjoy. Okay, so to start the project off, I've got two of these offcuts from a door. The image will pop up on the screen of what door I'm talking about. Basically, these are going to be the legs of the ladder, basically, the main bit. And I'm going to have to measure this, both pieces, and chop them to size. I've marked my wood up, and it's going to be that long from there all the way to here. Right, so I've marked up this bit of wood. I've divided it all by 5. Here's where all the in-between bits of wood are going to be, the steps. And what I've done, basically, I've got the tape measure, measured all along. It measured 1125, divided by 5, because that's how many bits I'm putting in. And yeah, I've marked it all up. I'm just going to do the same for this one. I'm just using one of these. Nice and stable. In fact, I might want to move it. I want to make absolutely sure that I've done it right. Move that out of the way. So you can see what I'm doing here. Nice and secure. I want to go straight down. Lovely. As you can see, I've just done a little hole there. Secure. I'm going to go here, and where I've drilled a hole, when I put a screw through here, it's going to come in much easier, and it's not going to split the wood or anything. There's already a hole there, so I'm all planned ahead. It's all good. Pretty cool. I'm gonna distress the hell out of it with this knife here, and once we've done that, I might just do a couple more things and then paint it. So I'm gonna just kind of get close to the camera so you can see. There's a bit here that I didn't do. It was part of the wood when I got it because it's an offcut from a door. It's beautiful. Look at that. We need more. So I'm going to be very careful here. As you can see, it's pretty distressed, and I think it looks really cool. It's the same on the other side, and I went a bit ham, and I really went to town on this thing. It's a bit sharp and a bit edgy, so I need to use some sandpaper just to get it down and just get it a bit smoother, so it's easier to hold. And it also makes it easier to paint as well, so it's an added bonus. I built this all on my own. I cut it all on my own. I measured it all on my own. You know what? I think it's ready for painting now. So we're painting now, and the paint I'm using is the little green paint company, and it's an absolute matte emulsion, water based, and it's just sort of this colour here, as you can see, sort of a greeny brown. There we go. See what it looks like. Got one right here. Let's see how it goes on. If I remember correctly, this actually is brown. It dries very brown, I think. It's going on alright. First coat. Oh, this colour's beautiful though. I mean, wouldn't you agree? Like, this colour's beautiful. So yeah, I'm just getting the bits that haven't been done now. I absolutely love this. I'll turn it around. It's like, look at that. Look how it just sort of slopes in like that. It's so cool. We've finished the sanding and it looks really good. I would say it needs just something a little more, and I would say a bit of dry brushing. Now I've got some paint over here. It's French ink, so it's really good. Al fresco range, so good for outdoors. And the colour is Cool Beans. There we go. So yeah, it's a sort of whitey colour, and what we're gonna do, get like 95% of the paint off. I need something else because it's sort of running out of space there. That'll do. And